Welcome back to That's So Real Estate. This is Natalie, and today I'm going to show you how to create a custom QR code. So for today's example, I'm going to show you how to create a QR code of the Keller Williams branded app. So you're going to open qrcode-monkey.com. I like this website because it's free and you can customize your QR codes a little bit more than some other websites. So we're going to go grab our branded URL, and you can use any URL you want. It doesn't have to be the Keller Williams app. And we're just going to grab it and throw it into here where it says your URL. All right, so now we can set the colors. I'm going to use color gradient for this one. And we can do B40101. And I'm going to add a logo image. Doesn't have to be a logo. You could put like a picture of the promo photo of the app on a phone or whatever you want to put here. For this one, I'm just going to put a Keller Williams logo. All right. So you can customize the design. However, I don't want to just because I recognize this as a QR code. I don't know how many other people would recognize all of these as a QR code. Yeah, but you can do it if you want to. So then the next step is just to hit Create QR Code right here. And there you go. So now you're going to download the PNG. All right. So then we can pull this up. And if you pull your phone camera up, you'll actually notice that the website QR code pops up saying app.kw.com. So that's how we know that it worked. Yeah, so like I said, you can do this with any website you want. Just get a little bit creative, and this is a really easy way to share your app with people, especially like if you're at a buyer appointment and you want to get them on your app. This is just an extra little push. You can be like, oh, here, look, here's my QR code for the app, and have them download it on the spot. All right, so that's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching.